sir.
It's me, Mark and Ferguson with Ohio, King Adam Union 1053. King Adam Union 1053. Final. Hey, Trooper Lawson, Highway Patrol. Recent stop is when you turn on the market, you didn't use your turn signal.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you got your license on you?
Yes.
And then you have your registration with you as well? Where you head to tonight?
I'm headed over to my friend's house.
Okay. Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Leafenbein.
Okay. You got the registration?
Is that? I'm not sure.
Yeah. Alright, 1 second, I'll be right back with you, okay?
Okay.
Man, maybe step out for me real quick. You got any weapons in the vehicle?
Do I have any what?
Weapons?
Nope.
Okay, just need to step right back here for me. Yep, we're right back here. Alright, real quick, the reason I got you out of the vehicle, okay? So when I was up there talking with you, I noticed your eyes are bloodshot and glassy, alright?
Yeah.
I detect the odor of alcohol coming from up there. How much alcohol have you had tonight?
I had like 2 drinks.
2 drinks of that, like wine, vodka, beer?
Beer, like Angry Orchards.
Okay. Alright, so I can smell it coming off you right now. Is it okay if I check you out, make sure you're not impaired?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you got any medical conditions or anything?
Nope.
Okay, so I'm going to have you turn and face me, okay? Any recent head injuries?
Mm-mm.
Okay. So what I'm going to have you do, you're just going to follow my finger with just your eyes only, okay?
Okay.
Do you have any questions on that? So you look straight at me, you're not going to turn your head, just follow with just your eyes, okay? Yep, don't move your head. Same thing.
Sorry, I moved my head.
Alright, same thing, we're just going to go up, okay? Alright, so next thing I'm going to do is just stand right there just like that for me.
Okay.
Alright, so what you're going to do is you're going to tilt your head back, close your eyes. I want you to estimate the passage of 30 seconds. Alright, so when 30 seconds has passed, you're just going to tilt your head forward, open your eyes, and say stop. So I'm going to tell you when to start, but you're going to tell me when to stop. Does that make sense?
So 30 seconds?
Yes.
Okay.
Yep. Any questions on that? Okay. You ready? Alright, maybe begin. Alright, is there any specific way you got there?
I counted.
Like Mississippi's alligators.
It's counted.
It's counted. And how long do you think that was?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Like probably 27.
27. And what were you supposed to estimate? 30. Okay. Alright, it's 22. Alright, I'm gonna have you step up right behind the car for me, okay? Alright, so you turn and face my vehicle, okay? So it kills light bar. Alright. So we're just going to imagine a straight line right to my license plate, okay? Yep. So one more, you got heels on?
Not really.
Okay, if you'd like, you can take your shoes off for this one. It's totally up to you. I'm going to have you take your right foot, put it in front of your left foot for me. Can you do that? All right, and you're going to leave your hands to your sides. You're going to stay in that position while I explain the rest of the test. Do you understand that?
Yep.
So you're going to take 9 heel-toe steps down, and then it's going to be 9 back. So it's going to look just like this. 1, 2, 3. Now, assuming that's my 9th step, you're going to take a series of small steps around your lead foot, and you're going to come back. 1, 2, 3. All right, assuming that's my 9th step, that's going to be the end of the test, okay? I took 3, but you're going to take 9. So once you start the test, I'm going to stop the testing point in time. You're going to look at your toe, count out, and you step out loud for me, and leave your hands to your sides, okay? You have any questions on that?
Nope.
All right, you may begin whenever you're ready. All right, you just gonna step right up here for me. All right, so last thing here. So in a moment, you just turn face me. All right, stand with your feet together, hands to your sides, and I'll explain this test. So in a moment, with the foot of your choice, you're gonna hold it 6 inches out in front of you, just like so. And you're gonna leave your hands to your sides. You're gonna look at your toe, and you're just gonna count out loud: 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, until I tell you to stop. Okay. You're going to keep both legs straight, so you're not going to bend it like this, or not going to bend the other leg like that. So both legs are going to be nice and straight, hands to your sides, and you'll look at your toe while you count out loud, okay?
All right.
So I'll tell you when to start and stop. Ready?
Yep.
All right, you may begin.
1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 2006, 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 2011, 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021, 2022, 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, 2027, 2028, 2029.
All right, you can go ahead and stop. And one last thing, I just like, would you submit to a portable breathalyzer test for me real quick?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, right there. No, just wait right there for me. Check's go. All right. 1 second. It's gonna blow for me. No, you got a deep breath. You gotta blow into it. No, you gotta blow for about 10 seconds, okay? Hang on. Alright, go ahead. Alright, so you are over the legal limit now, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so what I'm going to have you do is just turn and face my car for me. Yep. Alright, go ahead. Spread your feet out wide for me. Alright, just put your hands together like you're praying. There you go. Finger straight out. Finger straight out. There you go. And just relax your... Alright, have you had an OVI before?
No.
Okay. Is it okay if we secure your vehicle in this parking lot?
Yeah. Can I, have my phone?
Yep. So I want you to grab your phone, and I want to secure your vehicle in the parking lot, and we'll make sure you get a ride home, okay? Alright. Slip right around here for me. Where's your phone at in the vehicle? Okay. Step right back here. Just watch your step. Alright, just turn left to left for me. You alright? You alright? You're not going to jail. Alright, you're gonna go home. Alright. Okay, you okay? You need a squad? Do you need a squad? Just breathe in your nose. Just breathe. Just breathe in your nose for me, okay? Just breathe, okay? You alright? Yeah, are you alright? Do you need to go to the hospital or anything? Alright, I'm gonna secure your vehicle, okay? Alright, can you hit the clicker for me? Yeah, just gotta step out. Just a little brand here. OSP here for test. Alright, let's come over here, stand, face that black shirt for me. Alright, so here's your phone real quick. So it's sitting in that red chair over there. So you can get somebody to come pick you up at the Ford Police or Sheriff's Department. Alright, it's first phone right there. Just this black chair for me. She on her way? Yeah. How you doing? Alright, so he's gonna witness for him and it's on camera as well. So I'm gonna read the top part to you and then we'll go to the bottom, okay? So you're now dressed for OBI, operating vehicle under the influence of alcohol, a drug, combination, operating vehicle under the influence of illicit controlled substance, or illicit metabolic controlled substance. If you refuse to take any chemical test required by law, your higher privileges will be suspended immediately and you have to pay a fee to have your privileges reinstated. So if you take the breath test, so no prior OBIs, meaning that if you refuse the breath test, it's a 1-year suspension of your license. If you take the breath test and are found to be at or over the prohibited amount of alcohol, which in the state of Ohio is going to be 0.08, it'd be a 90-day suspension. So would you like to take the breath test? Yes, sir.
I did speak now already.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so what I want you to do is blow for 10 seconds. Alright, so do one deep continuous breath. Okay.
Okay. Just one.
Yep, it's gonna make a noise. That was if you want a deep breath and make this machine like a little tone when it's registering. Okay.
And
No, you got a deep breath, you gotta blow out. Yeah, about 10 seconds. No, it's not registering. So like, you can put your lips all the way around it. No, it's still not going.
okay. And
Now you take a deep breath and you're just gonna blow as hard as you can. There you go.
sorry.
So this is going to be your final result, 151. Okay, lead one was 0.08. So
Yep.
subject sample number 2, second test was 151. First test also was 151. Okay, so that's your copy. We're going back out this way. Just hit that little button on the side. Push. Get right through there. Get it straight down here. Yep, so just have a seat in the back seat again, no handcuffs or anything. You just gotta finish up a little bit of paperwork, and then once your ride gets here, you'll be free to go.
My ride is here.
They are here?
Yeah.
You have them just,
Do you want me to like?
you have them walk up to this front door and just have them sit on that bench, and I'll be right with them. Alright, so this is the form that you signed earlier and I read to you.
Yeah.
Sure. Huh?
Mm-hmm.
This is your copy.
Thanks.
And then this is going to be the citation. Okay, it's a mandatory court appearance. It's going to be on November the 19th, 8 o'clock. Or the address is Miami County, right on the other side of this building, big courthouse. On here is the OVI and the failure to use your turn signal. If you have any questions, phone number for the court's in the back. Okay.
Thank you.
You have any questions?
Nope.
All right. So once he signs this form, I'll come get you. All right, you got your license on you? All right, I'll trade you. All right, so all I need you to do is print your name and your address. All that's stating is I'm releasing her to you.
Okay.
You'll get a copy of that as well.
Oh, thank you. Do you mind if I say?
Yeah, no, yeah, you're fine. There's that. There's that. All right, I'll send her up. Thank you.